is going on, guys? So I originally wanted to do like a flashback kind of sequence, but I don't have any of that footage saved on my laptop. It's only uploaded. So basically with this trip I did this for like 2 hours, 3 hours, whatever it was, all the way up to Lake Erie and back. Not that big of a deal, but this video here that we're about to watch is me getting back from this trip. Mind you, also, this is my first kind of like real big trip, kind of. I can't remember exactly what the mileage is. I will flash it up here because I have to double check. But it was my first like extended time being on the bike. So the video you're about to watch is just me getting back and how I feel and my general overall experience of this first situation is. So I will see you guys right now. What is going on, guys? I am finally I'm not like just about home, but I'm like finally getting to the point where I'm getting home. There's beautiful Pittsburgh skyline. So I guess today kind of what I wanted to talk about. So what I just did, I just got back from Lake Erie. I drove all the way out there, I drove all the way back. It's this amount of miles away, whatever it is. And I kind of want to talk about not necessarily what to expect, but my personal experience with it, and what I learned from it, because I did learn a lot. Now, if you're new to the channel, you might not know, but I do plan on doing a rather long, lengthy trip to which way do I want to go? I want to go home. How do I go home? Yeah, see? I want to do a lengthy trip home. Watch this pattern here, people pulling out, because I'm probably the one in the wrong lane. So with this long trip, pop my ears. I learned a lot. I learned a lot from this small trip, and things that I'm definitely going to need to take into consideration for my big trip. And I came in Pittsburgh at the absolute wrong time. So what I learned, this sucks, and lane splitting is not legal in PA. So what I learned is several things. First and foremost, for me, I definitely want to invest in some kind of cruise control aftermarket feature, because even with, riding it correctly and all that stuff, my hands are very tired. They're numb, they're tired. I've been riding for probably about 4.5, 5 hours, and that's a decent amount of time for a stretch, but it feels so good to actually do this. I haven't done this in hours. But even with that being said, I mean, I'm still, my hands are still very tired, and I just did this for like 4 or 5 hours. One of the trips that I'm trying to do, we're talking about doing this for an 8-hour venture, and it can be done, and it can be done on the Ninja 650, but it's going to be difficult without that preparation. The other thing that I realized is, and I already kind of knew this, but it was the seat. I definitely have to upgrade the seat. While the Ninja 650 is comfortable, what's up, my boy? While the Ninja 650 is comfortable, it still is a stock seat, like I've mentioned before, and I'm paying attention. I just want to kind of look. I do hate this area here. People cutting off. I don't know exactly which way I'm going. Fort Duquesne. I can get off on Boulevard of the Allies, I believe. Fort Duquesne Strip District. This is just the way we're going. I don't really care. And I forgot what I was saying to you guys. Ah, shoot, what was I saying? Do I have a stop sign? No, they have a stop sign. And oh, come on, Matt, what were you saying? What were you saying? What were you saying? Oh, the seat. I definitely want to upgrade the seat. I think any amount of time in, you know, the saddle, as they say, would put a toll on you. But I'm pretty tired as far as that aspect goes. So a seat is definitely something that's going to be upgraded very soon. I guess the other thing that I really learned on this trip is the importance of ear protection. Now, in the other videos I did mention about ear protection and going on the highways. That is a legitimate thing. Now, if you're just kind of on the interstate or whatever for a little bit of time, maybe it's not that big of a deal. But me being on it for hours at a time today, and I have tinnitus, it almost feels like my ears. It feels like my ears need to pop, and they don't have to pop. So that kind of sucks in a way, because it's just like a constant like thumping sound, you know what I mean? It's not that big of a deal, but it's definitely something to be aware of, and I will be having some kind of hearing protection next time for sure. And we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna set this. Oh, I shut it off. I guess the other thing that I wanted to bring up is interstates in general, and this is kind of divided into two little parts. Whenever I do long trips, I think that I'm going to do my best to not totally avoid the interstate, but to limit myself on the interstate, because it's not that fun. It's really not. It's monotonous. The constant thumping, like I said, in my ear with the you know, with the whole helmet thing and all that. I definitely want to avoid them, and also kind of because, well, at least for like Erie anyways, there really wasn't anything to see. When coming home, I accidentally made a wrong turn and did some back roads. Oh no, what I did was I accidentally set my GPS for not okay, that's fine. I accidentally set my GPS to avoid highways, and in doing so, it was going to take me on an extremely long ride, which I necessarily didn't care about, but it was just because I was really limited on my juice. Hey, there's some news reporter guy going on. Maybe we'll be on the news. So I definitely want to try and avoid... Hold on, I'm sorry. I definitely want to try to avoid I'm just trying to do this. Come on. Oh, this isn't gonna work. Just go. I don't care. Oh, and you want me to turn around? And what kind of... I'm on the wrong map. And what was I saying? I was talking about something super duper important. We want to be over here, it looks like. Man, the city's really cool. Still like it. But yeah, it just seems like I didn't really get to see all that much on the interstate. And I know, you know, it's like Erie, there's not much to see in that area anyways, but still, you know, it's just, you know, one of those things. I'm definitely wanting to avoid that as I can. The other thing with interstates, and you know, this is kind of like a duh moment kind of thing, but it can really put you in a situation if you're going on a trip and you're really having to be conscientious about your gas mileage and all that stuff. And that's doing little pulls. You know, I did a couple of little pulls doing, you know, stretches of, you know, over 100 mile an hour and stuff. Time and place for everything, gentlemen. Alright. But that sucked my gas down like crazy. And like I said, it's kind of like a duh moment, but it's one of those things that if you are like in the middle of the desert, or you're in a situation where, hey, you know, you really gotta hit these marks. Do we want to go here? We're going here. Here. Sorry, I'm just trying to do this. Here. Here. Is this a wrong turn? Why do I have a feeling that this was wrong? This was wrong. Ah, son of a gun. Can I even do that? Can I go this? There is no. Why the hell are you telling me to do something that doesn't even exist? Oh, here's that Pittsburgh shit. Oh man. Anyways, I guess we're just cruising, and I'm just trying to tell you guys a story about what to expect. I'm going way too slow. Sorry guys. I haven't got my turn signal on. I'm tired. That's another thing. Being tired while doing these trips. But yeah, back to highway pulls. Like, you know, it's fun. It's exciting or whatnot. But it could probably potentially put you in a really crappy situation if you really need to be paying attention to your gas mileage and all that stuff. You know what I mean? So just something to be aware of, you know. So like I said, while they're fun and all that stuff, they can put you in a situation. And like I said, it's kind of like a duh moment, but I didn't really realize it until I was you know, really getting into it. I guess, let's see, what else did I really learn on this trip? Probably to take breaks. I actually did this there and back, only braking whenever I actually got there. Oh no, I'm sorry, I gassed up one time. I didn't have to necessarily, but I wanted to put a little bit of extra gas. See, gotta be assertive. But I wanted to do this straightforward. But you know, and while it was good to do it straightforward like that, you know, you still have to take your breaks, kind of for yourself to kind of recharge, and for your body too, because I mean, I am sore. I can't wait to get home. I'm mad that I missed that turn, and now it's going to be an even longer ride home, but you know, hey, whatever. Anything else that I really learned on this trip? Let me see if I can do this real quick, and I'll be right back, guys, and let me just make sure I'm like on the right road. Alright, I think I got it now. Oh, that's what I mentioned before. Pittsburgh really likes to play these games where they don't take down road signs, and then the GPS is all stupid. Make sure you do your safety checks, guys. I think there might be a game or a concert tonight. Something's going on. But yeah, you know, as far as like what else to expect, you know, that I think I hit everything that I wanted to say. You know, is the Ninja 650? No, we are definitely doing this. I know that was super illegal. Sorry guys, but I'm not getting stuck going in a circle and around and around and around and around in Pittsburgh. Sorry for breaking the law. Please don't think less of me. And the other video before this one, or there's a couple other ones probably before this one, you know, I I talked about, you know, is the 650 good for, you know, long distance riding? And I do think it is. I do think that, you know, you would want to do some upgrades to it, as with any motorcycle, no matter what it is, unless it already comes like fully dressed and all that stuff. So, you know, I don't know, I guess that's kind of all I wanted to say. I want to start paying attention to make sure that I can not miss anything. It's rush hour, apparently. It's 4 o'clock, so this is great, but I don't know. At least I know where I'm going now, and we can just chill. That Chatham Center, I'm pretty sure it was Gotham Center for the Batman movie, because the one movie was, I think it was the third one with Bane. It was filmed in Pittsburgh, and there's some shenanigans going on. What are you doing? What shenanigans? Hello, shenanigan. Hey, look, another great reason to have a motorcycle, because you can just do that. You couldn't do that. Whoa, I smell that sticky icky. Hey guys, if you be riding around smoking weed in your cars, just know everybody can smell it. But anyway, that's all I got to say. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully this was of some interest to you, or whatever. If it was, let me know. A like, a comment goes far these days, especially in today's economy. And I gotta get off here because I gotta be on my A game. Haha, look at this. I'm like a real freaking motorcycle person now, riding around in the city. I feel like Ducati NYC. Anyways, guys, sorry we're rambling again. Thank you guys for watching. Again, share, subscribe, like, leave a comment so I know what's going on, and I will see you guys later.